today in 2024, how do you think developer marketing is adapting to these changes in developer relations or community management?
I'm not so sure that it is. Um, Developer marketing still has been for a long time a different focus. Um, Not saying it's a bad focus, but it's just different. And marketing is in at its core is less about relationships and is more about quantity. The quantity of people viewing things, the quantity of signups, the quantity of scans at a booth. Those are all very like quantitative, but they're not really qualitative. DevRel at its core is more about the qualitative than the quantitative. And so there's just a different focus there. And it's DevRel relationship is built into the word. And so it's a lot more one to one or one to small, whereas marketing is very one to many. I call it kind of the shots on goal. Eventually, you get 25 shots on goal. Hopefully, one of them is going to come through. Uh, that's just what marketing is. And I know I'm vastly oversimplifying, but it is just a different focus. So I don't know that dev marketing itself exists in a way that uh, can kind of take over what DevRel does, but I think they could and should work very closely together. And I think that whether we start calling it dev marketing or not, I think is a conversation for another day. But I think it is something that they are two different focuses, and I think people need to recognize that more.